Hello everyone and welcome back to Simply Grace. I am Grace and I am here to do an unboxing for you. This is a journal that was handmade from the amazing shop on Etsy from Blush and May. So here we go. All I have done so far is untape. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now please excuse my nails, they're terrible. So, oh my goodness. So here is one of her little doodles. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness, she is just amazing. She just personalizes everything. Now, she, on there I put my first name just because that's how everything is fancy dancy. Alright, so let's just, her washi tape. I just need to know what washi tape she uses because, oh, it's so cute. I want the washi tape. And I love this. Can you see this? There we go. Here's the washi tape a little bit closer up too. Alright, take this out. Yes! Guys! I collect pins! Oh my goodness! Best day ever! Try freely. Alrighty. Oh, I just love the bunny. So cute. Can you see this a little bit better? There we go. So precious. Alrighty. Wow. Oh my goodness. She is just the most wonderful person. And I believe this is just, yeah, a little envelope to put it in. So these are just like little gifts that she's given me for purchasing what I purchased. Like all of this was little extras just for purchasing what I purchased. All this free stuff because I purchased this. So wow, just wow. Okay, now let's get to the meat of what we're here for. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just so excited, I just can't even. Oh my goodness, okay. First off, this pretty little sticker. Let's just, I'm gonna have to keep the sticker. I'll have to put it in here or something. It's like a little memento. Okay. Does this say anything? Aww. Okay, do I want to do that? Alright. Okay. So it is faux leather. Feels very soft. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, and it's signed. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I just can't even. Wow. Okay, so it has like care instructions for me. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid I'm going to mess this up. This item was completely handmade and may have slight imperfections, but I try very hard to make it perfect for you. You can find care instructions below to keep it in tip-top shape. You don't need to apologize. Like, this is gorgeous, and the imperfections is what makes it beautiful. Okay? Inside lining is printed on 44-pound premium archival matte paper. Avoid water to keep the artwork from damage. Then this case is not machine washable. Use a damp cloth to lightly remove stains on pleather or use acetone if the stain does not come off with water. Since it is created using heat, keep the case away from extreme heat. If you see any separation, you can reactivate the bond with an iron on low setting and a clean piece of fabric between the iron and the case. Hold it for 8 seconds and it should be good. It is normal to see slight creasing as you continue to use the case, but make sure you don't bend the case backwards, as it may cause crease to tear. And that is it. Best wishes on your journey. Wonderful. Well, I'm gonna keep this sucker. Like, I don't even know where I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna keep this sucker in here. Probably like, I'm gonna keep it right here for now because I'm gonna need that information on hand. Okay, so then it looks like she got these journals from a website. So that's good to know that this is right here, because then when I need more journals, I can buy them. And this is an A5 setup. So I have another travel journal from another lady that made it, and I love it. It's beautiful. It's a harder leather, so it doesn't lay down as flat. And it's more of it's a much narrower size, and this is more A5, which I like that a lot. Dot grid. It's nice. And it's both of them are dot grid, so wonderful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is so cool. Alright. Oh my goodness. I'm afraid I want to break it. Wow. I'm just blown away at how beautiful this is. Okay, I need to take a picture of these now. Thank you everybody for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. God bless. Bye.